All right, so here we have the digestive system microanatomy model. And let's go ahead and start off with these 4 layers right here. So layer A, that is your esophagus. B right here, this is the fundus of the stomach. C, this is the jejunum of the small intestine. And then D is our colon or large intestine. So let's go ahead and zoom in at the top section right here. So starting with number 1, what we're looking at is it's part of the mucous membrane, and specifically this is the outer mucous tissue, and it is made out of non-keratinized squamous epithelium. Number 5 right here, this is the esophageal gland. All right, so let's go ahead and move down to layer B over here, and starting with number 1, this is again part of the mucous membrane. It is the outer mucous tissue. This is a small depression in the mucous membrane of the stomach. Number 10 over here, this is a peptic cell. Number 11 over here, this is a parietal cell. 12 is a mucous neck cell. So now if we scroll down to layer C over here, again, we're in the jejunum of the small intestine. Starting off with number 10, this is an endocrine cell. So this right here is an endocrine cell. Number 2, this is a crypt, right? This is one of the intestinal crypts. Number 11 over here, this is the Paneth's granular cell. So the Paneth's granular cell. So now we move on to the final layer, layer D over here. Again, this is the colon or large intestine. Starting off with number 10 over here. 10 is a goblet cell. So right, goblet cells, they secrete mucus into the large intestine. Number 2, this is again another intestinal crypt. And lastly, number 11 right here, this is an enterocyte, which is a fancy word for intestinal cell. And that is it for this model.